Okay, guys, we are back again to continue our broadcast. Yes, I was not able to finish what we wanted to do before, but now we are not going to go back to the previous video, all right? Because we have a new things to discuss. Maybe towards our later our broadcast, we may touch all those things, all right? We may revisit them and discuss about it. So we are here again. The news have it that Abba Kyari has been released. And it's not a surprise, to be honest with you. I was thinking that he had been released secretly for a very long time. Surprisingly, they said that they just released him under that. So we are going to go through it one after the other. We end. Sometimes I wish that I know where the tap to quench oil is. I would have, off it so that everybody will get sleep. Because the oil is a destruction to our life, not a blessing. There's no oil in our land have turned us to what we are today. That we are, as an Igbo man, to get visa to a country that doesn't want it, you go through hell. To even if you get to that country, to have permit is an issue. I just told us that people that are studying in UK, students in UK, they are now being threatened by the university in the UK, telling them that they have to send them back home because they couldn't pay, they are unable to pay tuition fee. Something that the people, their guidance, their parents know that they can afford, but because of the current economic situation in Nigeria, they have no choice than to send them back. I'm not blaming the university in UK for that, no. But I'm blaming British government because they are the one that own the country, Nigeria, pushing everything the way they want it, as long as they are getting what they want. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I'm not here to, I'm not attacking you or anything. Yes, in Nigeria you will see army dancing in the market. Yes, we've seen that one because they are zombie mad people everywhere in Nigeria, including the brown envelope journalists in the country. They are all the same. Yes, I understood. Of course, 500 years before Nigerian Biafran was there first. I did not mean just wasn't thinking. Okay. I just wasn't thinking. Okay, it's okay. I'm not agreeing with you. Okay, Nigerian. To be honest with you, I don't. Let's continue with our program. Okay, I don't want to go astray.
Sure. If you feel disgruntled, rather than going into a fisticuff with the traders, why not go to the Market Association to resolve whatever impasse you have before you made a public show of shame? That's the sad one. And for Major General Yema, I've been praising him, but today I'm not going to praise him. That statement was needless. You violated the rights of people. And I think the people of the Banix Plaza should be able to sue for loss of revenue and things like that. This is entirely very wrong. In other regards, I've praised him, but this one, General Yema, you do not try at all.
Well, I mean, we've been praising the military.
We've been
praising the entire military for their wins of recent. Please do write.
Win of recent? Arise News. Arise News. You people, that is why you guys, conduct interview with the PM and refuse to air it. This Arise News. You people are very, very hypocrite, to be honest. How can you say they are praising them for their recent win? Recent win on what? Where? How? The news have it in Zafra State. People are there a lot of people in plan to the same thing. I beg you guys should stop this propaganda. It doesn't worth it at all. So I promised that I will share a video of one video, okay, just to for those of you that don't understand what is going on. Let me see if there's a music in the video first, because I've not played it. Okay, so there's a song, but I will see how we can manage this one. Let me take it from a bit. So the video is a Yoruba community in Nnewi in Anambra State. Okay, Let me read it out. This is a video published by Nnewi City. Okay, Nnewi City, Yoruba Kane Nnewi 2022. All right. Here is the president of Yoruba community in Nnewi, Anambra State, expressing how happy they are living in Nnewi and how the people are accommodating, just like every other land, every other community in Igbo land. People, like I said, if you have not lived among Igbo people, you are missing a lot.